Hello, welcome to my channel. Brown bears, Urus arctos, are one of the most widely distributed and recognizable species of large mammals in the Northern Hemisphere. Known for their impressive size, powerful build, and characteristic hump over their shoulders, brown bears have captivated human interest for centuries. They are found across a wide range of habitats, from the forests of North America and Europe to the tundra and mountainous regions of Asia. These bears are not only apex predators but also play a crucial role in the ecosystems they inhabit, affecting everything from vegetation patterns to the populations of other animals. The study of brown bears is important not only for understanding their biology and behavior but also for the insights it provides into broader ecological processes and the impacts of human activities on wildlife. As a species that has coexisted with humans for millennia, brown bears hold significant cultural and symbolic value in many societies. However, their future is uncertain, as they face numerous threats from habitat loss, climate change, and human-wildlife conflicts. Brown bears belong to the family Ruisdae, which includes other bear species such as the polar bear, Urus maritimes, the American black bear, Urus americans, and the giant panda, Ailuropodine melaleuca. The scientific name of the brown bear, Urus arctos, is derived from Latin and Greek words meaning bear and northern, reflecting its widespread distribution in the northern parts of the world. Within the species, there are several recognized subspecies, each adapted to different environments. Some of the most well-known subspecies include the Kodiak bear, Urus arctos middendorf, which is native to the Kodiak archipelago in Alaska, and the Eurasian brown bear, Urus arctos, which is found across much of Europe and Asia. These subspecies exhibit variations in size, coloration, and behavior, shaped by the specific ecological conditions of their habitats. The evolutionary history of brown bears is closely linked to that of other bear species. Fossil evidence suggests that brown bears diverged from a common ancestor with black bears and polar bears around 1.2 to 1.5 million years ago. Over time, brown bears spread across a vast range, adapting to a variety of environments, from the forests of North America and Europe to the tundra and mountainous regions of Asia. Brown bears are among the largest terrestrial carnivores, with adult males typically weighing between 300 to 1,500 pounds, 136 to 680 kilograms, depending on the subspecies and the availability of food. Females are generally smaller, weighing between 200 to 800 pounds, 90 to 360 kilograms. The largest recorded brown bear was a Kodiak bear, which weighed an astonishing 2,500 pounds, 1,134 kilograms. Brown bears can stand up to 5 to 10 feet tall, 1.5 to 3 meters, when on their hind legs, and their powerful build is accentuated by the distinctive hump of muscle over their shoulders, which is used to power their strong forelimbs for digging and tearing. The fur of brown bears varies in color from light brown to almost black, with some individuals exhibiting a grizzled appearance due to the presence of lighter-colored tips on their guard hairs. The coat is thick and dense, providing insulation against the cold climates in which many brown bears live. In preparation for hibernation, bears develop a thicker layer of fur and store large amounts of fat, which sustains them through the winter months when food is scarce. Brown bears are highly adaptable and occupy a wide range of habitats, from the temperate rainforests of the Pacific Northwest to the tundra and alpine meadows of Eurasia. Their geographic range is one of the largest of any bear species, spanning North America, Europe, and Asia. In North America, brown bears are primarily found in Alaska, western Canada, and parts of the northwestern United States, including Montana, Wyoming, and Idaho. In Europe, they are most commonly found in the Carpathian Mountains, Scandinavia, and the Pyrenees, while in Asia, they inhabit regions as diverse as the Siberian taiga, the Tibetan Plateau, and the Himalayas. The diverse habitats occupied by brown bears require them to be highly adaptable. In forested areas, they rely on dense vegetation for cover and access to a variety of food sources, including berries, roots, and small mammals. Brown bears are omnivores, meaning they eat both plant and animal matter. Their diet varies greatly depending on the season and the availability of food in their environment. In spring, after emerging from hibernation, brown bears primarily feed on vegetation, including grasses, roots, and early blooming flowers. As the season progresses, they may consume a greater proportion of animal matter, including small mammals, birds, and fish. One of the most important food sources for brown bears in many regions is salmon, which they catch during the annual spawning runs. The sight of brown bears catching salmon in rivers is one of the most iconic images of wildlife in North America. These fish provide a rich source of protein and fat, helping bears to build up the energy reserves needed for hibernation. In the late summer and fall, brown bears switch to a diet that is rich in berries and nuts, such as acorns and pine nuts. This period, known as hyperphagia, is critical for bears as they prepare for the long winter months when food is scarce. During hyperphagia, brown bears may consume up to 90 pounds, 40 kilograms, of food per day, rapidly gaining weight in the form of fat. Brown bears are also known to scavenge carrion and may occasionally prey on large mammals such as deer, moose, or caribou, particularly if they are young, sick, or injured. Their opportunistic feeding behavior allows them to exploit a wide range of food sources, making them highly adaptable to different environments. Brown bears are generally solitary animals, with adults typically living alone except during the mating season or when a mother is raising her cubs. However, they are not strictly territorial and may tolerate the presence of other bears, particularly in areas with abundant food sources, such as salmon streams or berry patches. The social structure of brown bears is shaped by the availability of food and the density of the bear population. In areas with rich food resources, such as coastal Alaska, bears may form loose aggregations around feeding sites, with a hierarchy based on size and strength. Dominant males typically have priority access to food, while younger and smaller bears may be forced to wait or seek out less desirable feeding spots. Brown bears play a crucial role in the ecosystems they inhabit, acting as apex predators and keystone species. As apex predators, they help regulate the populations of other animals, such as ungulates, deer, moose, and caribou, which can influence vegetation patterns and overall ecosystem health. By preying on the weak, sick, or old, brown bears help maintain the genetic health of prey populations and prevent overgrazing. Brown bears also contribute to nutrient cycling through their feeding habits. When they feed on salmon, for example, they often carry fish away from streams and rivers, leaving behind uneaten portions and waste that fertilize the surrounding soil. This process, known as nutrient translocation, can have a significant impact on the productivity of forest ecosystems, benefiting a wide range of plant and animal species. In modern culture, brown bears continue to captivate the human imagination, appearing in literature, film, and popular media. From the beloved children's character Winnie the Pooh to the fearsome grizzly bears depicted in movies like The Revenant, bears have become an enduring symbol of the wild and the untamed. They also play a role in environmental activism, with organizations like the World Wildlife Fund, WWF, using the image of the bear to promote conservation efforts. Brown bears are remarkable creatures that have managed to survive and thrive in a wide range of environments across the Northern Hemisphere. Their adaptability, strength, and intelligence have made them one of the most successful and widespread species of large carnivores in the world. However, they face significant challenges in the modern world, from habitat loss and climate change to human-wildlife conflicts. The conservation of brown bears is not just about protecting a single species, it is about preserving the ecosystems they inhabit and the cultural heritage they represent. By understanding the biology, behavior, and ecological role of brown bears, we can develop more effective strategies to ensure their survival and the health of the natural world they are a part of. As we look to the future, it is clear that the fate of brown bears is closely linked to our own. The decisions we make about land use, climate change, and wildlife management will have a profound impact on the survival of these magnificent animals. By working together to protect brown bears and their habitats, we can help ensure that they continue to roam the forests, mountains, and tundras of the world for generations to come.